Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Indian street food Anda Ghotala. This is a famous street food from Surat and this is basically a boiled egg bhurji with a little bit of twist. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहउछन्ती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, in a pan heat 2 tablespoons of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. Then add 2 finely chopped onions. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 finely chopped green chillies. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. And then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell is gone. Then add 1 finely chopped tomato, or you can add 2 small tomatoes. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. And then cover and cook till the tomatoes are soft. The tomatoes are cooked now. Mash a little using spatula or masher. Then add salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of Garam masala. Mix and cook the spices for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1/4 cup of water to adjust the consistency. Then grate and add 3 boiled eggs. This recipe serves 2 people. Mix the boiled eggs well with the spices. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then turn off the heat. In a small pan, heat 1 teaspoon of oil and then break and add 1 egg. Sprinkle salt, pepper and red chilli powder. Let it cook for a minute. Take it out on a plate. Now in the same pan add 1 teaspoon of butter and add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic chopped. Saute till the garlic is golden brown. Serve the boiled egg bhurji first on a plate. Then add half of the sauteed garlic on top. Place the half fried egg and add the remaining half of the sauteed garlic. And our delicious street style Anda Ghotala is ready now. This is perfect to have with pav, but you can also have it with bread or chapati. The taste of this dish is so different and amazing, so do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.